Okay, our second quadrilateral is a rhombi, or a kite. You're going to figure out how to figure out the area of a rhombi or kite. Okay, just quick review. A kite has all four sides that are equal. It could be a slanted square. It could be a square. But just know that all four sides are equal. So we're not going to use the outside sides of the rhombi. We're going to use the diagonals. So that from this point to the opposite point is one diagonal, diagonal 1, D1, and then the other one is diagonal 2, D2. Alright, so something very important. When you have a diagonal, the diagonals are cut in half. Alright, so this section is equal to this section. This section is equal to this section. Here's the formula. Area equals diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So you're taking both diagonals, you're multiplying, and then divided by 2. That's all you got to do. Alright, area equals diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. D1 times D2 divided by 2. So here's a practice problem. Number 1. This section right here is 10. Since these are all equal, this is a rhombus. So if this is 10, the other section has to also be 10. This section is 14. If this is 14, then the other section also has to be 14. Okay, so now we're going to use the formula diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. And I'm just going to plug in my numbers. The diagonal 1, I'll just say, is this diagonal. Doesn't matter which diagonal you use as long as you don't use the same one for both of them. Alright, so 10 and 10 makes 20 times the other diagonal. 14 and 14 makes 28. And then you divide by 2. So you can use your phone calculator. If you have a calculator, go for it. 20 times 28 is 560, and then half of that divided by 2 is 280 inches squared. Alright, so this is the same exact problem. All four sides are equal. So if this is 4, then this is 4. If this is 6, then this is 6. So you're using diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. Diagonal 1, let's just say it's this one, is 4 and 4 makes 8 times diagonal 2, 6 and 6 makes 12 divided by 2. 8 times 12 is 96 divided by 2 is 48 centimeters squared. And that's how you figure out area of a rhombi.